changing all the URLs in your WordPress database. First, download the Better Search Replace plugin in your website's panel. Navigate to Plugins and select Add New. Afterwards, find the Better Search Replace plugin and click Install Now. Once installed, press the Activate button. In your panel, navigate to the plugin under Tools called Better Search Replace. Click the Search Replace tab. In the first field titled Search For, enter your current URL. For example, https://www.4streetconsulting.com. In the second field titled Replace With, enter your new URL. Then select All Tables. You probably want to leave Replace G.U.I.D.S unchecked. View the article listed in the description box below for further details. Verify the box titled Run as Dry Run is checked. If not, make sure to check it. Click Run Search Replace. You should see a message at the top notifying you of what would have been updated if you did not check the Dry Run box. If everything looks good, run Search Replace again with the Run as Dry Run box unchecked. A confirmation will display notifying you of how many changes were made. Congratulations! Now all the URLs in your database point to the new URL name.